Welcome to GW Manager. In this video, I'll show you how you can easily re-enable Google Chrome OS devices involved with GW Manager. If I go to my admin console, we just have one Google Chrome device enrolled, which is in status of disabled. If we do a quick reload, you will see that this is disabled and is enrolled, and it's assigned to test at GW Manager. We need to re-enable this device. We are just re-enabling one device. In your case, you may enable thousands of devices with GW Manager. It will work the same. So for that, I will go to extensions. I'll go to GW Manager and click on launch. If you did not see GW Manager here, please visit our website gwmanager.com to learn more about installation options. Once the extension is loaded, you will click on choose a feature and then select manage Chrome OS devices. Now once you're here, the first cheat is Chrome OS device action. So let's keep this, and GW Manager recognizes that we don't have the action sheet inserted yet, and it is asking us to do that. So click on execute and it will insert the sheet. Okay, now the sheet is asking for the device IB, action, and deprovision reason. For the device IB, you can easily export them via GW Manager by using our export function. We have a video on that too, so you can watch that to see how you can export Chrome OS devices in bulk. When you do the export, the first column will be device IB, so you can copy that for the respective device, paste it here. Now your action should be the re-enable, because we are re-enabling the device. If you hover on the column, you can see the possible values. So let's paste re-enable. Deprovision reason, it's only required when you are deprovisioning the device, which we are not, so we can skip that. Now once we have the details here, we can simply come here and click on execute, and we are expecting that this disabled state should be enabled. So let's go back and click on execute. Within a few seconds, GW Manager will re-enable that, and it will give us the status context, which is successfully performed. Now come back to admin console, and when we do a refresh, we are expecting this status to be re-enabled or provisioned, and it's back to provision. That's you see here. So this is how you can bulk re-enable Chrome OS devices with GW Manager. You can do much more with GW Manager, and we are constantly adding new features based on customers' requests. For more information, please visit our website gwmanager.com. Thank you so much for watching.